Hello, this is my submission for assigned knowledge articles to a translation queue. So let me quickly walk you through the application. So I have created an app called as knowledge articles to translation queue. So it has three tabs. First is home, second is translation flags. This is nothing but a custom objects tab which holds article ID, flag which indicates whether the addition was successful or not, then queue ID, the queue to which it is to be assigned, and then the language code. This is nothing but an ISO code. So in the deployment guide I have specified code for each language, so this can be entered for the desired language. Now before running the VF page, let me show you that currently this export articles for both queue Chinese, there are none articles. So let's go to other queue. Also this is, it does not have any articles to export. So both Chinese as well as German queue have no articles. So let's go to VF page. This is the page, translation flag page. So here we get a list of all the articles, their QID and language code and message. The message is nothing but if there is some kind of exception while adding articles to translation queue, then it would be listed in this column. So I have implemented pagination to this, and since there are not more records, I think there are 15 records in this custom object, so I have given a page size as 5, which can be increased. So if I go to next, then next, again it shows the page number as well as previous, next and last. So this is the pagination for it, and now let's run the batch. So as soon as I would click on this flag for translation button, then we'll get a message that what is the status of batch, whether it is completed, queued, or how many jobs have been complete, or what were the errors for this. So let's click on this flag for translation button. This would show that batch is being executed, zero batch, and status is queued, and this is a real time. So there was only one batch for this, and there were zero errors, and now batch status is complete, and we can see that there are flag for this. So these are all successful addition, and there would be some error as well. So these are error, and this lists the errors. These are the errors. So the pros of this submission is there is a batch which performs addition to translation queue. So if there are more than 1000, or since the scenario is for 12,000 articles, so it can be easily added to the queue using this batch. And there is a real-time status of batch, so we'll get a feel that we'll get to know what are the batch and apex job that are to be completed. So now if we go to export translations, let's check for Chinese queue, and we can see that there are 3 articles that are assigned to this queue. Now let's go to other queue. There are 2 articles that are assigned to this queue. Hope you liked my submission. Thank you.